Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can fix Discord underscore game as underscore sdk.dll is missing. Quite easy fix, so without further ado, let's get started. First of all, you need to go on search and look for Windows Defender or Windows Security. And then you need to go to a virus and threat protection. And then you need to go to a protection history. And here should be some actions. And then for me, there is none, but if you're getting this error, it should be something similar to this, track blocked or something similar, right? So we just need to click on it, expand this option, look if the and look for the problem with Discord SDK, Discord Game SDK. And then once you found it, you need to press on actions and press allow or restore, and restart your computer and your issue should be solved. That's pretty much it.